Many people dream of a profitable business that serves customers all over the world. If you are one of them, this information is exactly what you need. Dropshipping is the business that provides equal opportunities to everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are an islander or a resident of a busy metropolis. If you want to secure a better future for yourself and your family, you can easily set up an online business that will bring you money at any point of the globe. You don't need to manufacture products or to buy them from someone in advance and stock them, paying all related expenses. All you need is stable internet access and an online store. Starting here, your business journey begins. Let's see how dropshipping business model works in simple 6 steps. Step 1. Find an online supplier who has the products you want to sell. Step 2. Show the supplier's products with marked up prices on your website and advertise them. Step 3. Receive direct payment from the customers who buy from your website. Step 4. Redirect the orders to your suppliers and pay them their original price, keep the profits to yourself. Step 5. Do nothing, the supplier will ship the order directly to your clients. Step 6. Repeat. Find more products and suppliers if you like, and enjoy greater earnings. Compared to other South American countries, Bolivia has one of the fastest growing economies. It encourages the citizens to try themselves in various entrepreneurial activities and look for the business options that have the lowest startup costs and the highest potential revenues. Dropshipping is the business model meeting these criteria perfectly. As the business owner doesn't need to manufacture, pre-order, or stock products, there are no extra expenses associated with renting warehouses or hiring personnel. Therefore, it is quite easy to launch and start running an online store serving customers all over the globe. So, if you are a Bolivian resident who wants to get a beginner-friendly online business with high profit potential, you are welcome to the exciting world of dropshipping. As a Bolivian citizen, you surely know which products see the highest demand here, and so, you are able to create a competitive store offer. Plus, you fully understand the mentality and cultural background in this country, which is why it won't be a problem for you to create purchase-motivating advertisements and promotional campaigns. Still, why limit yourself to one country only? The dropshipping business model lets you target and serve buyers all over the globe, and that's the opportunity you can't overlook. With a WooCommerce-based dropshipping store, you can power it with trusted payment gateways like Mali. It will allow you to accept and process your clients' payments safely and securely. And, being able to reach any country on the globe with your offers, you can focus your business on any topic you want. Whether you want to sell home textile to Spain or dropship jewelry to the United States, it's all up to you. You're the boss of your venture, and nothing and nobody can limit your actions, decisions, and profits. Launch your online store with AliDropship and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. AliDropship is the world's #1 dropshipping business platform that provides you the WordPress plugin and customized store creation service at very affordable price. Create your own dropshipping store with the most powerful plugin for WordPress. Or let the AliDropship team create a store for you. AliDropship's unique solutions are creating a wave of buzz with dropshippers just like you. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned expert with a multi-million-dollar turnover, AliDropship has the exact solution you're looking for. When you invest in AliDropship plugin, you can easily build your own professional AliExpress dropshipping store. The plugin offers all the features you'll need to build your own highly profitable business. The best thing about AliDropship is, unlike other dropshipping platform, AliDropship lets you enjoy the 100% ownership. Whether you build it yourself or have AliDropship build it for you, you will have full ownership of your dropshipping empire. You keep all the profits and have complete control over your store. And AliDropship doesn't limit you on the number of products you can have or the monthly sales you can get. Even if you have tens of thousands of products and millions of orders, you pay no extra fees. And AliDropship has a wide range of high-quality services to help you succeed through every phase of growth. AliDropship offers free personal support for every solution you order, so you'll always have them as your secret weapon. Are you ready to start your dropshipping business today? The link is in the description below. Go to the description, click the link and start your dropshipping journey today.